Google Scholar is a wonderful resource. I'm going to show you how you can link your Gmail account or your Google account to the A-State Library via Google Scholar. That way, when you're searching for items and something pops up and it asks you to pay for that article, if it's an article or other item that we subscribe to via the A-State Library, then you'll have access to it. So how do you do it? You might be tempted to come up here and click My Library, but this is actually items that you saved for your personal use, so it becomes your library. It's not related to connecting your account to Google Scholar. I skipped a step. You need to go to Google Scholar, so scholar.google.com, log in with your Google account, and then once you've done that, again, you'll skip where it says My Library, and you'll come over here to these three horizontal lines. Click that. Now you'll click Settings. You'll choose Library Links, and I think this is based on IP addresses or GPS data or something like that, and it automatically has chosen a few for me here, but these aren't the ones you want. You actually want to search for Arkansas State University, and you choose the one that says Arkansas State University, Jonesboro, full text at A-State. You can leave the other things clicked, it's not going to hurt anything, but you'd really need this one to make sure that it is syncing with our subscriptions. So again, items that if you're a member of the public, it might cost you hundreds or thousands of dollars to subscribe to a given journal. Here, if we subscribe to it, you would have access to it without paying all that money. So I'll click Save, and now it's anytime I search. So we'll search this one I did previously. If it's an article that we have access to via the A-State Library, you'll see it'll pop up something like this, full text at A-State. So if I was interested in this article, it now says, yes, we have this via the A-State Library, and I can follow the link and gain access to the article. If you're off campus, at this point it will ask you to log in with your A-State username and password before authenticating you, so that it will then provide access to the article that you're looking for. It should remember you, so once you've logged in once, that should do it, but I can't make promises there. And then we can just follow the links until we arrive at the article, again provided to you via the A-State Library. So you'll see we went from Google Scholar. It says, yes, there's this article, it exists, you can have access to it, but you have to go through the A-State Library. And now by connecting our account to the A-State Library resources, it's made a pretty seamless process. All right.